Welcome student to banking class. Today we'll take next subtopic, that is licensing of banks under section 22. First of all, let us see what do you mean by licensing. Licensing refers to the process of getting permission from higher authority. That is the simplest meaning of licensing. Now, let us see what is the meaning of licensing of banking companies. Licensing of banking company refers to the process of getting permission from the Reserve Bank of India to start banking companies in India under the Banking Regulation Act 1949. No company should be carried banking business in India without the license from the Reserve Bank of India. On the commencement of Banking Regulation Act 1949, every banking company, whether Indian or foreign company, has to take license from Reserve Bank of India under the section 22 of this act. But before issuing the license from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI examines the books of account and methods of operation of the concerned banking company and has to satisfy itself the following conditions. Now, let us see which are these following conditions. Next, we can see there are two cases. In case of Indian banking company and other case in case of foreign banking company. Now, let us take the first case, that is in case of Indian banking company. You can see here on the slide, first one I have put, the condition is that the banking company is and will be in a position to repay its present as well as future depositors in full. That means the banking company will be in position to pay back its present and even in the future to the depositors their fund in full, okay, as per their claims accrue. Second one, that the affairs of the banking company are being conducted in the interest of depositors as well as the general public. It means the matter of the banking company are being conducted in the interest of the depositors, those who deposit funds in the bank as well as the general public. Okay, that is about Indian banking company. Now, next one we'll see in case of foreign banking company. Okay, which are the conditions under foreign banking company? Okay, next slide, it shows the condition to be fulfilled in case of foreign banking companies. First one, that the banking company is following all the rules and regulations mentioned in the Banking Regulation Act 1949. It means all the banking company compulsory has to follow the directives, that is rules and regulation, which is put in the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Second one, that the foreign banking company is carrying on its business in the interest of Indian citizens. Foreign banking company has to carry its business for the interest of Indian citizens only. Yes, that is in case of foreign banking companies. Okay, if these conditions are fulfilled by the banking company in India, then only the RBI will issue the license under Section 22.